about it. I think my whole background of my curiosity towards things and my observation, I was a little more sensitive towards things when I was growing up, and I was very curious in finding out things, and I was attracted to forms and how things are made and how something has come together. So it started there, and then I went into architecture because of this quality. When I spoke with people and people who knew this stream, I went into architecture, and obviously architecture is all about spaces. And I wanted to specialize further into, like, go from a macro level to a micro is what brought me to specifically retail and space, inside, from outside to inside.
So ma'am, the other question is, what is a dream project of yours?
Okay. There was a design exercise that I did in my second year of architecture college. It was a beach house, and that design is still stuck in my head, and I wish I could do that someday. It is a residential project, but yeah, it's one of a dream project.
What is your constant source of inspiration?
I think till now, the people I've worked with were my source of inspiration, and I think I like observing people, so I take my inspiration from wherever I find something interesting. So there's nothing specific to that.
It was quite intriguing that what would you like to tell any budding designer?
I think I would say that always have the thought of learning. Never stop learning. Learning helps a lot, and observe and take things from anywhere and everywhere possible. Learning never stops, even for the most successful designer. So learning is very important for keeping the creativity alive.
Ma'am, what according to you was a life-changing moment in your life?
The life-changing moment, I think it was the moment when I got into my last firm, which was Foley Designs. It was my life-changing moment, I would say. Very practical. I think I want to be a mix of a fruit and a chocolate, because that will be really interesting. I've never had something like that. It's only Sundays where you club these things, but what if a flavor comes together as a fruit and a chocolate? You have to invent one, actually.